Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Boucher. Today I am going to Infinity. I gotta make sure like what's wrong with Tarantula. I've been having problems with Tarantula for a good minute. I think it happened when I had reset it some in the I guess in the factory of the system. Once I had reset it, it just started, acting crazy. And I've been trying to look things up online and couldn't find it, so I'd rather take it to Infinity and get it on diagnosis. They probably can know what it is. I checked all the fuels. I did everything. I reset. I took the battery, reset it. A whole lot of things. I don't know what's wrong with it, so but I can show y'all. This is what it's doing right now. Like, it'll keep rebooting. It's like I just jumped in the car and it'll do that the whole time. Like, reboot, turn on, reboot, turn on, reboot. And then when it's doing that, I can't mess with none of the controls. I can't turn on music. I can't even mess with the air. I mean, if you got the air blowing, it's gonna be blowing on that same temperature until it stop rebooting. Sometimes it stops, sometimes it don't. But hopefully they could fix it because it's very annoying. So that's what I'm about to do in the morning. So I'll be right back with another one. I just made it back. It took me like 3 hours at Infinity. They was looking up. They had a, I don't know, I guess they were checking things on the diagnostic. They charged me $150. But it was a lot of stuff came up while my car keep rebooting. Right here, you see right here? I don't know y'all can see it, but it say half of this stuff I already did. I did the air filter, the cooler. I changed out the heater hose. Need to be replaced. That was like $600. Discount $699. That was like $700. I know I need to do my brakes. That ain't nothing new for me. Tires, I was gonna change them out, but I'm not gonna do all 4. I'm gonna just do 3. I wanted to do the liner, but it make no sense if you don't change out the tires. But other than this, I really had this like done on my car, like having this stuff I already had. So I just paid this $699 straight up. Yeah. So when I get in my car right now, I got a lot of cables on, just bear with me. So then I just start it up. Like right now, it's not doing a reboot like how it was at first. I could deal with it. I like it, but I guess it's fixed. But I still gotta change this out. I take my time, change it out, but it stopped rebooting. So I'm cool with that. Now we're supposed to be going to a car show, so y'all stay tuned. I'm just waiting for Josh to get here so we can do the little trail. I've never been to a car show, so this will probably be my first time, so stay tuned. Boy Josh here, turn this down.
Road to perfection.
Yeah, we out here.
I'm his barber.
Already. My shit. Whatever that is. I like the way you got that purple shit in there. Take your time with that. You like that, bitch? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that bitch is kind of sick though. It's different.
It is different.
Shit's it's sick. Even though he got a little dent on him, but I still fuck with it. Cops came, we still out here, man.
Still out here.
We still out here. We ain't going nowhere. We still in the same spot. Why his side? He on the opposite side, huh? Yeah. I like that bitch. There you go, John. Girl whipping that bitch.
There's a lot of them we got.
That really supposed to be my car, like that Z. I wanted to get that bitch. Yo, they already shut it down, so shit, we about to head out probably to go somewhere else. But yeah, we shut this bitch down. But it's fucked up, the party just started. Yeah, we had to come to the spot right here. Oh, they cutting up over here. It's game time right here. Sit right there too. He got a grip to them bitches like that. I might want to step back a little bit. Yeah. He must ain't got no fucking grips on them. Right. No, huh? It's dead game now. Damn, man.
shut down.
Time to get the fuck out of here, man.
This bitch shut down already. Damn. Bro, this was the most quiet we've been. Ain't nobody real.
Yeah, I had to shut down already. Shit.